Come to third question. Find the product. Say the solution. First part, 9 upon 2 into minus 7 upon 4. Here, multiply numerator by numerator. That is 9 into minus 7 upon 2 into 4. You will get 9 into minus 7 minus 63 upon 8. And in mixed fraction, you can write it as minus 7 upon 8. This is your answer. Now come to second part. 3 upon 10 into minus 9. Here there is no denominator. You can write it as 1. Here multiply numerator by numerator. That is 3 into minus 9 upon 10 into 1. You will get minus 27 upon 10. And in mixed fraction you can write it as minus 2 7 upon 10. This is your answer. Now third part, minus 6 upon 5 into 9 upon 11. Here multiply numerator by numerator. That is minus 6 into 9 upon 5 into 11. You will get minus 54 upon 55. This is your answer. Now come to fourth part. It is 3 upon 7 into minus 2 upon 5. Here again multiply numerator by numerator. That is 3 into minus 2 upon 7 into 5. You will get minus 6 upon 35. This is your answer. Now come to fifth part. 3 upon 11 into 2 upon 5. Here multiply numerator by numerator. That is 3 into 2 upon 11 into 5. You will get 6 upon 55. This is your answer. Now come to sixth part. 3 upon minus 5 into minus 5 upon 3. Here see 3 upon minus 5 into minus 5 upon 3. Here terms are cancelling. You can cancel the terms. That is 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, minus 5 minus 5. They will cancel. What will you get? 1 upon 1. That is 1. This is your answer. Now come to question number 4. Find the value of, here you have to divide the rational numbers. See the solution. Say first part, it is minus 4 divided by 2 upon 3. In division, you have to change the division sign into multiplication. How will you do so? By taking reciprocal of second rational number, that is 2 upon 3. What is the reciprocal of 2 upon 3? It is 3 upon 2. Here you can multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Minus 4 into 3, it is minus 12 upon 2. And if you cancel it, 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, you will get minus 6. This is your answer. Now come to second part. It is minus 3 upon 5 divided by 2. Here again change the multiplication sign into division sign into multiplication. Here change division sign into multiplication. What will you get? Minus 3 upon 5 into, here change the division sign into multiplication. You have to take reciprocal of 2. And what is the reciprocal of 2? It is 1 upon 2. Here multiply numerator by numerator, that is minus 3 into 1 upon denominator by denominator, that is 5 into 2. You will get minus 3 upon 10. This is your answer. Now third part, minus 4 upon 5 divided by minus 3. Here this can be written as minus 4 upon 5. Change division into multiplication. You have to take reciprocal of minus 3. It will be minus 1 upon 3. Here multiply numerator by numerator, that is minus 4 into minus 1 upon 5 into 3. We will get minus minus plus 4 into 1, 4. 4 upon 15. This is your answer. Now come to fourth part. Minus 1 upon 8 divided by 3 upon 4. This is equivalent to minus 1 upon 8 into, change division into multiplication. You have to take reciprocal of 3 upon 4. What is the reciprocal of 3 upon 4? It is 4 upon 3. Here you can simplify it. You can cancel the terms. Here 4 1 ja and 4 2 ja 8. This can be written as minus 1 into 1. It is minus 1 upon 2 into 3, 6. Your answer is minus 1 upon 6. Now come to fifth part. Minus 2 upon 13 divided by one upon 7. Here this can be written as minus 2 upon 13. Change division into multiplication. You have to take reciprocal of 1 upon 7. It is 7 upon 1. Here multiply numerator by numerator. That is minus 2 into 7 upon 13 into 1. That is minus 14 upon 13. Convert it into mixed fraction. You will get minus 1 upon 13. This is your answer. Now come to sixth part. It is minus 7 upon 12 divided by minus 2 upon 13. Here this can be written as minus 7 upon 12 into reciprocal of minus 2 upon 13. That is minus 13 upon 2. Here multiply numerator by numerator. That is minus 7 into minus 13 upon 12 into 2. You will get 91 upon 24. And in mixed fraction, you can write it as 319 upon 24. Now come to seventh part. 3 upon 13 divided by minus 4 upon 65. This can be written as 3 upon 13 into reciprocal of minus 4 upon 65. You will get minus 65 upon 4. Here you can simplify it. Cancel the terms. 13 1 ja and 13 5 ja 65. Here multiply numerator by numerator. That is 3 into minus 5 upon 1 into 4. You will get minus 15 upon 4, and in mixed fraction you will get minus 3 3 upon 4. This is your answer. Thank you.